Hi, this is Dorcia with Med2Go with Garden Tips. Well, I finally got my garden in Detroit. Got a little boxed up here and filled it with dirt, and it's all nice and plowed and fluffy. And so now I'm putting in the string for the vines, tomato vines, or what other bean vines I have to put up in my garden. And so first I nailed little nails here, all along here, so that I could string up these strings to go all the way up to the fence, okay? And since this wasn't a wooden fence, it's sort of like a plastic fence, I put these stick them on back hooks here so that I could tie it to the hooks all the way down. So this is my garden. As soon as I get the vegetables in, I got all the vegetables and I got seeds, and I'm going to be putting them in today. Bye.